Hey, so if you already booked a hotel on Booking.com, but now need to change the dates, guest details, or room type, yeah, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to change a reservation on Booking.com step by step in 2026. First, open Booking.com and sign into the account you used for the reservation. Now go to the Bookings or Reservations section to view your upcoming stays. Choose the booking you want to modify. Some hotels allow online changes directly, while others may require contacting the property. Edit the check-in dates, guest information, or room type depending on what the hotel allows. If your new reservation costs more or less, Booking.com will usually show the updated price before confirmation. Once everything looks correct, confirm the changes to update your reservation. After modifying the booking, you'll receive a new confirmation email with updated details. If online editing isn't available, contact the hotel or Booking.com support directly for assistance. And yeah, that's it. That's how you change a reservation on Booking.com safely and correctly.